569-748.
569-748.
Battalion commander wants a weather report.
Alright, so this is pit 1. Are we clear to shoot?
Outlaw, you in the pattern?
Oh my god.
Destination pit 1, you're clear. Watch your left and right.
Roger, solid.
So you see that cloud that's straight ahead? It was literally level with the top the entire time.
When I was going around it, it just wasn't picking up between that little cross.
Wing flash. In a second, it's gonna bank again. See right there, banking?
No.
Right there, right there.
Oh.
Alright, watch it. Get on that bank, one turns.
Good hit. Clear the pits, clear the pits.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, right? No?
It's a new clear coat that they got.
Hey, grab the lollipop.
Go ahead and pick it up. Downrange. The other way.
Hey, Don, the
Close it up.
Alright, get up. First sergeant.
That's your missile. We'll slide into the missile.
Rubber and grommet, or rubber and grommet, needle and grommet. The needle is not punched through the grommet, and it looks like it's good in there. Rubber's good, and the matching mechanism's solid.
Got it?
Yeah.
Get that pole.
That's gonna stop.
Stinger! Missile away! Fire!
So Tobruk Arrows 2020 is a joint operation between us and the Latvians and the Lithuanians, in which the air defense units from all three countries have come together to fire live missiles into the air to destroy aerial targets. The equipment that we've brought with us is the Avenger platform. It is a Stinger-based pod, 2 pods on the back of a Humvee. Both pods contain 4 missiles each, with a total of 8, and it also is equipped with an M3P 50 caliber machine gun. We've also brought with us the MANPAD platform, which fires a shoulder-launched Stinger missile from an individual soldier.
We're going to pre-stage within your scenario. This time we're going
to mitigate the effects of COVID-19, we've had strict measures where the unit actually executed a restriction of movement, but also practicing individual hygiene, washing hands as we go into the buildings. We have our protective personnel equipment on, wearing masks, and the discipline of our soldiers has been exceptional.
Our soldiers have reacted to COVID in the best way they possibly can. They're positive, they stay in tune with the job because it brings unit cohesion and also a boost of morale to the soldiers to see that their leaders maintain that positive energy.
Even during the COVID-19 environment, we're able to maintain a high level of readiness individually with our crews, but more importantly with our allies, building towards that readiness in NATO, because we stand together to be able to deploy, fight, and most importantly, win.
Got it. Got it. Splash.